Hi class, this is Professor Vargas. I'm just going to go over the safety program observation and checklist assignment. So if you have any questions, hopefully this will answer them for you. So as you go on the assignment button to your left, if you click the assignment button on your left, then you can look for this assignment. Click on the assignment and this will appear. So I know we've been talking the whole weeks from the first week until I've been doing some reminders, and if you see in your module it says work on your safety program observation. It's just to make sure that you're thinking ahead and that you made an appointment to observe a preschool for 1 hour. Okay, so the vaccination checklist, like we explained earlier, is just all the vaccinations and TB requirement that you will need to be able to observe in the preschool. So just bring that form with you. So you'll bring this checklist with you, and that is just saying that, yep, you got it all done and it's all written out. Okay, so that's going to be for you to bring when you observe. Next, you'll have a timesheet. So I need you to copy this, and what you're going to do is bring this also with you, and you are going to write your name. Okay, so it has the observation timesheet. Print this form, and you're going to record the day you went, the time, time out, 1 hour, or if you want a little over, that's great, but 1 hour minimum, and have your signature. Then you're going to have a director or teacher sign this form. So director or teacher's name, signature, and where you observed. So is it at Santa Ana College, which we prefer you do, but there is a listing that we give you, and I'll go through those. But also some people have asked to do it at a different preschool site. A couple of them I did know about also, but just email me through Canvas inbox to get the approval. Okay, so that will be for you to do, to take. This Excel licensing checklist is just for you to see the licensing, like safety guidelines. It's only to help you with this paper. You don't have to download it. You don't have to turn this in. Okay, so don't worry about that. So again, you will do a safety program checklist observation assignment. You're required to spend 1 hour, and you're observing health and safety features in the Santa Ana Child Development Center or another preschool approved by myself. So in order to observe at a preschool, you also need to complete the following forms above. Okay, so here is this is the address of the preschools that you could work to, and then I have a link for you to directly call or get information about each one. Okay, so again, here's our Child Development Operations Office. Here's the Santa Ana College Early Child Education Center. Here is again the East Child Development Center. And then here is Centennial Education Center you can go to. Santiago Canyon, you might live closer there, you can go to. So again, those are some approved preschools to visit. And here is your observation assignment. Okay, so read all of the steps for this assignment. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the observation, and it tells you some guidelines for this assignment. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn in your timesheet that will be uploaded when you turn this in on Canvas. You're going to write a written response doing your observation. So you'll see, you'll have an area where you're going to do a written response, and you'll just answer these questions. Okay, so you're going to answer these questions. And then last, When you're at the preschool, you are going to use this checkoff list to see if they meet these requirements. Some of them you'll have to ask the teacher maybe, but most of them you can pretty much look around and see if this is safety inside is being met and outdoor area is being met. So again, you'll observe safety measures. This is health, safety, and nutrition class. So it gives you a really good idea of the safety procedures in each preschool. Okay? So for this assignment, you'll turn in the written observation. It's 2 to 3 paragraphs. And your checklist that I showed you. And your signed child observation sheet. And 3 or 4 pictures you'll upload. So it doesn't have to be with the children. It doesn't have, I don't want the children in the pictures, but just, pictures from inside or outside of the class is okay. But again, that's if, the requirement is okay for you to take the pictures, which they are if no children are present. Okay? So that is your assignment for your observation. And again, you'll just write this part, which will be, 1 to 2 paragraphs, and then another paragraph, just kind of observing about what the program name is, how long did you spend? So answer these questions, and then the second paragraph will answer these. So that will be what you will need to do for your observation. I hope that was a quick, simple video for you. And again, if you need any questions, you have any questions, or you need me to answer any questions, feel free to email me through Canvas inbox. We can also set up a Zoom meeting if you'd like. So take care and have fun doing this assignment. Bye.